In the previous video, I showed you how to create a call to action button for this 5-chapter ebook on the ultimate guide to cooking mouth-watering salmon, delicious and healthy recipes. And we're going to even enhance this lead magnet more with an expiring URL to create urgency to the opt-in of this lead magnet page. The tool that I'm using to be able to create this expiring URL is also included in my favorite tool, which is LeadCreator. Over here on the left, there is a section, expiring URL. If you click on that, to take you to the expiring URL settings. And the explanation for the expiring URL is an announcement bar that will appear at the top of the screen with a countdown timer to urge people to join as soon as possible, which will help drive more conversions. This is a proven technique that really works in the industry. So just go ahead and turn this switch on here to activate it. And in the text section, you would enter, which is, don't miss out. This scrumptious salmon recipe ebook will only be available 5 days for download. So opt in for your copy as soon as possible. 5 days is from today is the 13th. And time is okay. Redirect user when the timer hits 0. And I choose to redirect them to my affiliate link for LeadCreator. Go ahead and hit save. Expiring URL updated. Let's go back into the content editor and view the preview. This is what the reader would see at the top of the fold. And it would stay with them throughout the article, encouraging them to opt in. When they scroll down the page, they get down to a certain, there it is. So these and a lot of other tools can be implemented into your lead creation to ensure your success. Go ahead and click on the link below and get access to LeadCreator today.